Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can adjust spacing between characters and lines of your text in Canva application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application and after that click on text, and from here click on add a heading. After that you have to add some text. For example, I want to add a heading text. So you can see I have added two lines. So and after that adjust the size of this text, and for example I write again text, and after that you have to scroll right, and here you can see spacing. So if you want to increase or decrease the space between letters, then this option works. For example, I move it to the right, you can see space between letters is increasing gradually. But if I move this point to the left, then you can see the space between the letters is decreasing. So if we want to decrease or increase the space between two lines, then the second option works. For example, I click on it and move to the left. You can see the space between two lines is decreasing. But if I move this point to the right, then you can see the space between two lines is increasing gradually. So guys, in this way you can adjust the letter spacing or line spacing between your text in Canva application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.